The LG WM9500 is the single biggest washer at 5.8 cubic feet. It has some really good features and excellent reliability. It is also inexplicably rated the best, or one of the best, by a number of bloggers and review sites. But if you're replacing an existing machine or live in a brownstone or condo in the city, you probably can't buy the WM9500. So this video will be a review on a really good machine, its problems and alternatives. It should be interesting and different from what you've heard. Let's get started. As I said, this machine is massive at 5.8 cubic feet. The average front load is about 4.5 cubic feet, and the still popular top load your mom was using is about 2.5 cubic without the agitator. That's 2.3 times bigger than mom's and at least 1.3 cubic foot bigger than the average front load. This machine doesn't skimp on features either, with 14 programs and 12 options. I didn't even know there were 12 options available in a washer. But some of these you'll actually use. Steam loosens stains, allergen removes over 95% of common household allergens. LG has the Turbo 360 or 5 high pressure wash hoses to turn any cycle into a quick 30-minute wash. The machine also spins at 1300 RPM, tied with GE for the fastest, 300 more than Whirlpool, so your clothes are much drier from the washer for less time in your dryer. It also has an 18-load automatic dispenser. It releases the right amount of detergent at the right time. An auto dispenser also prevents you from overfilling, which will eventually lead to a service call as the suds will stay in the machine. 18 load is decent, but Whirlpool does have a 40 load. GE has their 32 load auto dispenser. Like many manufacturers, it is Wi-Fi enabled, so you can operate the machine remotely and get text when your laundry is done. So the machine is large, stacked with features, but it's also reliable. LG is one of the most reliable washers in the market. At 4.16% repair in the first year, less than half the average of appliances at 9.97%. So this is a really good machine, but you probably can't buy it. Here's why. The WM9500's measurement are 41 3/16 tall, 29 5/8 wide, and a little over 33 inches deep. First, you can't stack it in your closet or laundry room, but its outer dimensions make it too large to deliver in most condo buildings. The width and depth together are almost too big for most hallways, especially the landings between the hallways. Laundry is already the second most returned appliance after refrigerators on just regularly sized machines. For delivery, we can also take the doors off refrigerators so they fit in many spaces. You can't on the WM9500 or any washer, so the dimensions are actually larger than a bigger refrigerator. So let's say you don't want to stack and somehow we were able to deliver this. Its dimensions are certainly bigger than any existing washer, especially the width and height. If you're replacing an older top loader, the depth will be an issue as well. At $17.99, this machine is $500 to $700 more than a 5 cubic foot from any brand or even a similar LG. That's $500 to $700 for 0.8 of a cubic foot. You do have interesting alternatives to consider. GE has their unique antimicrobial microban in their units to prevent mold buildup. You can even buy LG's wash tower with their new sensor-driven AIDD for $23.99 for washer and dryer, or even LG's basic washer at 4.5 cubic for just $8.99. So it is massive, but you may be paying much more for not a ton of extra space for washing. This is the best machine on the market. You have every cycle, large capacity, and great reliability, but you might want to scale down to a still large 4.5 to 5 cubic foot and spend $700 to $900 less. Now that you know a bit about the LG, you can compare it to Samsung, GE, Whirlpool, and Maytag by downloading our free washer buying guide with profiles of all the brands, plus buying strategies and other tips to save you time and money. Almost 1 million people have read a Yale guide. Thanks for watching.
There you go.